Good morning from Canggu, Bali. Look tired, it is early. I had a long night last night, but today we're gonna go to Liki Waterfalls. It's about an hour drive into Ubud, and I'm going with one of my friends, Jill. And yeah, we're just gonna have a day. We're gonna do like a little waterfall day trip. So I thought it'd be cool to bring you guys along and make this like a trip to a waterfall video. So I just got all of my stuff. I have my backpack, I have my drone, keys, everything, and I'm gonna go meet her and then we're gonna go drive an hour. So let's go. We're about to be at the waterfall. It's hard to record and drive. Yeah. Swing. Hello. Oh, look at the baby chicks. Oh, there's a dead. Ew. Oh no, wait. I don't like this. Okay, alright, okay. Okay, we did it. Lake Liki. I think there's someone there. Okay, that's good. Wow. Okay, there are people here. Hello. Good morning. Good morning.
It's not morning.
Oh, it's afternoon.
I don't know what time it is.
It's afternoon.
What time is it?
It's 1:50.
Oh. This is cute.
Is it a bubble?
Yeah. Why not?
I didn't even see the blood.
Yeah.
But you should eat salad and like maybe meat when you go. Not this place, but like maybe the other.
Guys, so I was not able to finish the vlog. I was so tired from driving back an hour from the waterfalls, but it was an amazing adventure. We went to the waterfalls. It was like a 15-minute little hike down. It was a really beautiful hike in the jungle over a bridge. We got to the waterfalls and we were basically the only people there. There was a couple and like 2 other people, I think, but it cleared out and we basically had it to ourselves. It was a really cool waterfall, gorgeous. It was so high up. I tried to fly my drone, but it was a little too misty and jungly and I didn't have service. Went to this restaurant called Mr. Bubble that we just seen when we were driving and had some really good Indonesian food. It was super cheap and it was just like random how we found the place. We were just driving by and I was like, let's try that place, super good. And I drove an hour and when I came back, I was just super tired. So I didn't get to finish the vlog, but I'm finishing it now, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure. I have some really cool stuff planned and some more videos rolling out, so subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.